Okay, 5 fat turkeys are we. We sleep all night in a tree. The cubs came around, we couldn't be found. That's why we're here, you see.
It's a cute song.
Yep, there's another verse.
Can you tell me, sing it?
Yeah. 5 fat turkeys are we. Now we want to agree. But it was Thanksgiving Day. We slept. We think it's fun, but we rather run and hide in a big tree.
Yeah, good job.
In the biggest tree.
Cool.
Daddy's 30 and he's very old. I love Mommy. Mommy's 29 and she's a young. Gold duck.
Here's Peter singing a song.
No. Twinkle, twinkle, duck.
Okay, I'll turn it around.
Twinkle, twinkle, little duck. I will get a dime.
Stop, Lily. Okay, Peter, sing your song.
Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it. No, I beat them.
Lily, stop.
Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it. Get it right. Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it.
Stop. Hello, Jack. Hello, Jack. Right now, he's listening and trying to learn. Hello, Jack. Pretty bird. How's Pretty bird? Huh? Guys, try to be quiet, please. Now, he's being camera shy and he wants to go back in his cage. Jack. Jack-o'-lantern. Hello, Jack. Okay, let's see. Oh, I need to put on some light. Hello, Jack. Look at him in his cage. Hello, Jack. Peter? No. 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 Don't do that. Guys, settle down. Hello?